I did make a natural gas trade today, but I want to talk real quick about the stock market. Now, in my opinion, is not a good time to be a buyer of those core positions. Why? Because we had the fear last week, Thursday, maxing out Friday, late in the morning Friday. That's when I was a buyer. And we had that maxing out of fear. Well, what do I always share with you? That fear snaps back. And as it has snapped back, and I can't tell the future, but as it becomes gradually happier and happier, watch for the rhetoric being jammed down your throat to come away from fear, 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 sell, 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 to exuberance, 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 buy, buy, buy. And the financial news shows and most other outfits all over again will be getting it wrong and telling you to do the wrong thing. In an ongoing bull market, when my research shows in the medium term and the longer term that I am bullish, well, like I shared with you, in the very short term, when I see fear, the emotional herd is making a mistake. The herd always gets led to the slaughterhouse, and they got led to the slaughterhouse again. They were selling their stocks last week at lower prices and then buying them back this week at higher prices. Not good for business. On the S&P 500 specifically here, SPX, good news as of the middle of the afternoon here. We yesterday made the unconfirmed breakout above 6,836. We did come down to about that level today, but have so far popped back up. So bullish, in my opinion, that we remain above that level. Watch this level. The next bullish thing for the S&P 500 and possibly the stock market in general will be a confirmation of the breakout. That means higher prices tomorrow. We shall see. A bullish point for the stock market would be to break down again and come, and come back down. So watch these levels. I kind of think we tick higher, but I can't tell the future. Watch these levels. Natural gas higher on the day as of the middle of the afternoon. Let's see how we close, but it could make another confirmed breakout here above $4.12 a cubic foot. At this point, and I didn't do a video yesterday. Yesterday, I got out of half of my natural gas trade. So happy to do that at a very nice price point. At this point, most people are looking to get into natural gas. I am looking to get out of natural gas. I will continue to hold the second half of my position for as long as I possibly can here if I think we can even go higher. But now is not the time to be a buyer of natural gas, which most people will do and get wrong all over again. Today, I happily exited my short bond fund trade. Why? Remember, because as bond funds come down, rates go up. And on the 10-year yield here, you can see that the 10-year yield climbed real nicely and then is chopped over the last couple days, and as of the middle of the afternoon, looks like it could make a unconfirmed breakdown below 4.07%. And I said, right, it's come down enough. Let me happily exit my short bond fund position. So I did. Of course, I let my members know as soon as I did. Possibly the next trade in crude oil is to go long crude oil, but a little bit of patience. As of the middle of the afternoon, down bigly, and still in that confirmed breakout above $58 a barrel. In my opinion, I would need to see a unconfirmed and then confirmed breakdown below $58 a barrel, ideally even lower, in order to take a long crude oil position. So a little bit of patience, but long crude oil could be the next trade. Gold up big so far today, and I'm loving it. In my opinion, this is not the time to buy gold. The time to buy gold when I was buying it last week Friday, and people didn't want to touch it. Now that it's going up, everybody wants to buy it again at higher prices. God bless them. Gold here, did touch about that $4,224 an ounce level. Interestingly enough, did pull back a little. We are in that confirmed breakout, though certainly above $4,066 an ounce. The next bullish move for gold, in my opinion, I can be wrong, is a confirmed breakout above $4,224 an ounce. Watch these levels. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.